Hey guys, so it's Biscuit. So I see I'm in the car and I am about to go run a few errands today. And then, yeah, excuse my hair looking like this. So, you know, I have my curls for days going. But I changed it and I put it up in a bun. So, yeah, I'm going to wash it probably tomorrow or so. So today I'm going to be running a few errands. I have to go to the village for a few things. Then I'm going to take you guys along with me to the nail shop that I go to, or nail supply shop, store, whatever you want to call it. I am going to take you there with me because I want to get a few things, not too much, but you know me, when I say not too much, it's normally too much. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm thinking about redoing my nails. If you haven't seen this video, I will link it down below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I normally post like some snippets and clips of me doing the nails and pictures from my clients and things like that. So if you haven't followed me, I will put it right here. Follow me on IG. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing today. Nothing too much. Want to do that. As you see, I have hubby with me because you can see his sleeve in the camera. So he's with me. And yeah, so I'm just taking you on for the journey. See you in the view.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, so in this clip I unfortunately had to mute it due to copyright reasons. So I was basically telling you that I am in the nail supply store and I'm looking at acrylic powders, and it's just so much to choose from. It doesn't even make sense. So it kind of got a little bit overwhelming, and then of course there's Bae telling me that there's some other stuff in the other aisle. So basically just showing you how pretty this chunky glitter was. But again, it's so many options and you could spend so much time in there picking out nail supplies, nail supplies, nail polishes, and all sorts of stuff. So here you see me looking at the rest of the nail polish. So this was IBD stuff, and then you have OPI, and then Essie, and it's just so much to look for, and they have almost every color. So it doesn't matter what you're looking for, you can find anything in this store. And then of course I go over to the China Glaze, and then I just lose my mind. So yeah, you'll see me in the next few clips looking at some China Glaze, so that way I can pick out some nail polishes. You like that one? I don't really like chunky glitters too much. But I guess it's not about me, huh? Son of a peach. With love. To choose from, I have no idea what to get. blue, red, turquoise. Sure enough. Oh, that's like another green. See?
Maybe this. No.
I got this one. Maybe I don't need China glaze.
Okay.
Right?
Look at that.
What's this?
Really?
I got that.
Got that already.
Delta Darling. But is that too similar to them?
That's definitely not. Too different. Got orange.
It's just way too much to.
That nail polish.
Smells like lavender.
That's 86 Scoreline. That's 86. This here.
Một tuần 2 ngày, một tháng là nghỉ 8 ngày rồi. Đủ rồi. Đủ rồi. Người ta neo người ta làm tuần 7 ngày luôn. Ngủ tranh thủ làm giàu. Bây giờ đúa, bây giờ đúa.
Not them. The small one.
I don't want it to say nail polish, right? This one's like 35, 30 or 40 bucks. So I think I'll grab. No, okay.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta fill it up.
Yeah. I need to find somebody. Wall rack 126 bottle clear. No.